Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use schematics in Minecraft Litematica. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So, all you have to do is to go to your favorite browser and you can search for Litematica Schematics Minecraft and you can select any link. So I'm going to select this one. I can leave it in the description. And so from here you can see from any of these options you can select whatever you want. So for example, I'm going to select this one. And now from here, all you have to do is just go down until you see the download button and just click on it. Once you click on the download button, it's instantly going to install it. So we're going to install it in here. Once you have installed it, as you can see, now I have the file and I'm going to locate it and it's right now sitting in my desktop. So all I have to do is to go to the Minecraft launcher. And now from here in the installations, you're going to make sure that you are using the correct loader. So for me, I'm using Fabric instead of normal Minecraft. So once I'm using Fabric, I'm just going to open installation folder. And now from here in the Fabric, you can see that there's going to be no files. And you're going to make a new file and you're going to just name it schematic. And now from here, all you have to do is just going to drag the file that we have just installed from our desktop right here to it. And once you have downloaded it, then you can just make sure to just refresh and then go to play and then play the game. And once you play, you can find it in your world and you can just enjoy it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.